Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use investing.com website and you use this portal and learn many things related stock market and Bitcoin cryptocurrency as a globally. So how to use it? So let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. You just simply open Google and type here investing.com. Enter. This link is display here. Investing.com is one of the top 3 global financial websites in the world. It is offer you quick information about stock features, option, analyze, commodity and economic calendar. Features related analysis, commodity and economics related calendar. You just simply click here. Look at this. This is a website related stock market. See here in bottom screen some share market related informations are available here. Everyone knows about Tesla. So Tesla related informations are available here. Currently Tesla in high of the market, like in a US 30 features, US 500 features. In between you can see here analysis of the 1 day, 1 week or 1 month specific company related shares and all financial information. Okay, this is a journal, chart, news and analysis, financial, technical, firms and insights related informations are available here. Before start anything, you can create your profile here. So simply free sign up using my Gmail account. I sign up here. My profile is created. Look at this here. Sangram Singh is come here. I click here on my profile. You can add your profile related detail here, summary, chat, fundamental of your skill related such kind of information. You create your watch list and headings, which types of company shares, stock market analysis, new chart, technical tools related information you want. You can add here those information. So automatically investigation.com are sending you email, provide you related updates as a day by day. Here some education related informations are available. You can visit on that particular platform, open one by one tab and learn many things. You want learn many things related share market, cryptocurrency, what exact stock market are up and down, all informations are available here. Look at this n number of cryptocurrencies available. Top cryptocurrencies as usual, Bitcoin are there, Ethereum and some rest of cryptocurrencies are available here. You can visit on that particular portal here, cryptocurrency, and then learn many things like here market, stock market related informations are there, like a stock market as a trading stock market, United stock market, pre-market, earning calendar, Americans, European stock markets, all in one stock market related informations are available. Which company shares are very high, low level, all informations are here. Look at this here, Adidas, Alliance, BASF related shares are very high, especially on Adidas, 22.92% high today. So it's one is amazing. You can visit, analyze and buy some shares in your trading account website. So here investing.com are providing you some basic trial related all unique market insiders information. They are providing you technical summaries also available here. You can visit on website and learn many things related stock market and economics related information. So guys, you can register, visit on investing.com, learn many things related stock market, cryptocurrency, share market and then invest your money accordingly. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.